Welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you the story of LED, how LEDs are glowing and how LEDs are working. There is a town. Name of the town is Glow City. It is very colorful. There are 3 friends living in the Glow City, 3 best friends, red LED, green LED, and blue LED.
Yay! Today is our color party!
I can't wait to shine bright.
Let's glow together and make the world colorful!
The LEDs decorated the hall with balloons and sparkles.
I will glow red like a bright apple.
I will shine like fresh green leaves.
And I'll glow like the sky.
But there was one small problem. None of the LEDs are glowing. Red LED says, why am I not glowing? Green LED says, me neither. Blue LED also says, what's going wrong? All 3 friends, red LED, green LED, and blue LED are disappointed. Just then, Battery the Power King and Wire the Helper arrived. Battery says you need energy to glow. And to glow, you need to connect with me using wires. Wires are useful to carry the energy for LEDs. After hearing this, the LEDs quickly connected to Battery using wires. But oh no! What happened? LEDs are still not glowing. Battery also got confused. After checking, Battery thought, oops, something is wrong. Then Battery tells, listen carefully, my friends. LEDs are very special. Battery explained the structure of LED. LEDs have 2 terminals, a positive and a negative. And Battery also have a positive plus side and a negative minus side. You must connect them the right way. After understanding this, they connected properly, positive to positive and negative to negative. And at a surprise, all LEDs glowing, all are very happy and dancing. The whole room filled with beautiful colors. All have new energy to dance and enjoy the party. So kids, what did we learn today? LEDs need electricity to glow. They have 2 sides, positive, plus, and negative, minus. They only work when connected the correct way with Battery. Do not make any mistake while connecting LEDs with Battery.
Dear kids, don't forget to share your feedback and we will get back to you. Also like, share and subscribe the channel. Happy learning!